Today I'm going to create a simple yet effective home security system circuit on a mini breadboard. To begin, we need a BC547 transistor, which will act as a switch for the LEDs. Insert the transistor into the breadboard, ensuring each pin is properly placed. Next, take a jumper wire and insert it into the breadboard, connecting one side of the wire with the emitter pin of the transistor. This will serve as part of the grounding path of our circuit. Now insert another jumper wire into the breadboard and connect it to the collector pin of the transistor. This forms the connection where the LEDs will be controlled. For the visual indicators, use two different colored LEDs. I'm using one red and one yellow for clear distinction. Insert them into the breadboard, connecting the negative pins of both LEDs to the second jumper wire coming from the transistor's collector. Next, prepare two more jumper wires. Connect one jumper wire to the positive pins of both LEDs to supply them with power. The second jumper wire should be connected to the base pin of the transistor, allowing control from the sensor. Now insert a 1 kilo ohm resistor into the breadboard. This resistor should be connected to the jumper wire connected to the base of the transistor, serving as a current limiting resistor to prevent excessive current into the base. Then take a 33 kilo ohm resistor and insert it into the breadboard to connect one of its pins to the positive side of the LEDs and the other pin to the base pin of the transistor. This resistor ensures stable operation and prevents false triggering. Next, add the key component, a reed switch which will act as a magnetic sensor. Insert the reed switch into the breadboard, connecting one of its pins to the 1 kilo ohm resistor and the other pin to the emitter pin of the transistor. This configuration will allow the reed switch to control the state of the transistor. Once everything is connected, we're ready to power the circuit. Take a 9-volt battery and connect the positive terminal to the positive pins of the LEDs. Then connect the negative terminal of the battery to the emitter pin of the transistor. This completes the power circuit. Now observe how the circuit behaves. When the battery is connected, both LEDs light up, indicating that the circuit is active. However, if you bring a magnet near the reed switch, the switch closes, effectively cutting off the current to the base of the transistor. As a result, both LEDs will turn off. This simple reed switch and magnet setup can turn into a basic door security system. Mount the circuit on the door frame and place the magnet on the door. When closed, the magnet keeps the LEDs off, or buzzer silent. Opening the door moves the magnet away, causing the LEDs to light up, or buzzer to sound, to signal the door is open.